Welcome, dear travelers, to a place where the majestic mountains kiss the tranquil waters of Lake Garda, where narrow streets tell tales of centuries past, and where the scent of lemon blossoms fills the air. Welcome to Limone sul Garda, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Italy. In today's journey, we will uncover the secrets of this picturesque town, exploring both the hidden corners and the luxurious experiences that await. So, whether you are a family, a solo traveler, or an adventure seeker, join us as we delve into the wonders of Limone sul Garda. Our journey begins at the heart of Limone, the vibrant and historic town center. Here, narrow cobblestone streets wind through ancient buildings, each telling a story of a time-long past. Families will delight in exploring the quaint shops offering local crafts and delicacies, a true taste of traditional Italian culture. As we venture further, we stumble upon the hidden gem that is the Limonaia del Castel, an age-old lemon garden that stands as a testament to Limone's citrus-growing heritage. Solo travelers, take a moment to immerse yourself in the serene surroundings, where the fragrance of lemon blossoms offers a tranquil retreat from the bustling world. But Limone is not just about history. It is a place where luxury meets tranquility. Adventure seekers, prepare to be enthralled by the luxurious experiences awaiting at the town's high-end resorts. Imagine dipping into a pool with a view of the lake, the mountains providing a majestic backdrop as you unwind in style. And what is a visit to Limone without exploring the breathtaking Lake Garda? We take to the waters on a private boat tour, offering a unique perspective of the town nestled between the lake and the mountains. It's a luxurious experience that offers unparalleled views of the surrounding beauty, a moment to feel at one with nature in the most opulent setting. As we near the end of our journey, we find ourselves at the picturesque harbor, where vibrant boats add a splash of color to the crystal-clear waters. It's a place of relaxation, a place to sit and watch the world go by, a place where luxury meets simplicity in the most beautiful way. As the sun sets over the tranquil waters of Lake Garda, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, we come to the end of our journey through Limone sul Garda, a place where every corner holds a story, where luxury meets history, and where the simple pleasures of life can be found in the scent of lemon blossoms and the gentle lapping of the lake against the shore. Dear travelers, we hope this journey through Limone has awakened a desire to explore, to discover the hidden gems, and indulge in the luxurious experiences that this picturesque town has to offer. We invite you to immerse yourself in the beauty of Limone, to create your own stories in this land of wonder. As we say goodbye to this Italian paradise, we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences with us. Like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more adventures as we uncover the world's most beautiful destinations, one hidden gem at a time. Until our next journey, safe travels and happy discoveries.